Just pretend. I couldn't do it.
It's got.
Oh my gosh.
Stop it. Stop breathing.
It's very pungent. It's very pungent.
That looks like barf.
Holy Moses.
It looks like milk has gone bad and
Oh, yeah.
some animals are floating in it.
Nope.
It looks like
Oysters are clams?
it looks like bile and oysters.
Get closer, Dave.
I'm close enough.
Wait, let me smell it again.
Oh my god. I might need a bucket.
That smells indescribably bad.
I think I might fart.
That is one of the worst things I've ever smelled in my life, and I do not need to get any closer.
Oh, what are you doing leaving that cap on?
Get out of
Come
town.
on, you go first. Really? Oh, jeez. Woo. I'm gonna put that back on. Okay. I don't even want to know what that is.
Gross. No.
Sorry. No, definitely not.
Okay, let's do it.
I'm not ready. You're. Okay, hold on. I got this. I got it.
I'm not used. I'm not used to this at all.
I'm going to decline your kind invitation to put something from in here into my mouth.
You know what would be great, Dave? Is to put it on one of those Ritz crackers.
It looks like a booger, man.
Stop
All right.
it.
You want to try it?
Mark looks like he's turning white.
The film crew is gonna throw up just standing over there.
It reminds me of
It smells like poop in here. I can't.
like
do
when
it.
you need to clean something that you've neglected for years.
Just pretend. I couldn't do it.
It's got.
I have a bucket next to me if you need it. I couldn't do it.
I did it.
Go small.
Oh my god. This is nasty. Ah! Give me a glass of wine.
You're so brave.
I couldn't do it.
No points for you. No points.
Can we get this away, please?
I already sensed
Just
it
the
coming
hash
back
brown.
up as soon as I put it in my mouth. So.
Yeah, me too. Same.
Yeah,
Same
take
here.
Why would anybody ever eat that? Why?
Maybe they don't.
Why would you create that?
Right, you want to refrigerate that so it doesn't spoil.
I'm never gonna be the same.
12 tomatoes.